Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So we have to take knowledge from Bhagavad-gita, Srimad Bhagavatam about Krishna. Krishna Parama Purushe Bhakti Utpaddate. If you hear Srimad Bhagavatam, of course if you do not understand what is the basic principle of Krishna or basic principle of perfection that is stated in the Srimad Bhagavatam in the beginning, Dharma projita koitavatra parama nirmatsarana. Here in the Srimad Bhagavatam, the so-called manufactured religious system is kicked out. It is meant for the Paramahamsa, nirmatsarana. Nirmatsar means one who does not become envious. So our enviousness or envy has begun from Krishna. We don't accept Krishna. Mostly they will say, why Krishna should be only the Supreme Person? There are many others. That is envy. So our enviousness has begun from Krishna, and therefore it has expanded in so many ways. And in our ordinary life, we are envious. We are envious of our friend, envious of our father or son, even what to speak of others, businessmen, nation, society, community, only enviousness. Matsarata. Why he should go ahead? I become envious. This is material nature. So, when one understands Krishna, he is Krishna conscious, he becomes non-envious, no more envious. He wants to become friend. Srida Sarvabhutana. So this Krishna consciousness movement means we want to become friends of everyone. Because they are suffering. Without Krishna consciousness, we are going door to door, city to city, village to village, town to town, to preach this Krishna consciousness. And by the grace of Krishna, we are attracting the attention of intelligent class of men. So if we continue this process, not to become envious, that is animal nature, dog's nature, hog's nature. Human nature should be paradukha dukhi. One should be very unhappy by seeing others in miserable condition. So everyone is suffering for want of Krishna consciousness. Our only business is to awaken his Krishna consciousness, and the whole world will be happy. Anartha upasamam saksa bhakti yogam madhukari lokasya ajanata. People have no knowledge about it. So we have to push on this movement. Lokasya ajan vidyan chakre satat samhita Srimad Bhagavatam. So another name of Krishna consciousness movement is Bhagavad-dharma. Bhagavad-dharma, if we accept it, then the whole human society will be happy. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,